Hey everyone, the Gmktec K12 is a powerful and compact mini PC designed to meet the needs of users looking for a capable yet space-saving computing solution. Released in the Chinese market, it caters to tasks ranging from everyday multitasking to creative workloads and even light gaming, all at a competitive base price of around $293. At its core, the K12 is powered by AMD's Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, branded here as the H255, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads based on the Zen 4 architecture. For graphics, the K12 uses the integrated AMD Radeon 780M GPU based on RDNA 3. It has 12 compute units clocked at up to 2600 MHz, offering impressive onboard graphics performance for a mini PC. This allows users to run visually demanding applications, stream high-resolution video, and even play modern games at modest settings, all without a dedicated graphics card. Storage and memory flexibility are standout features in the K12. It supports up to 128 GB of DDR5 RAM via dual SO-DIMM slots and can accommodate up to 24 TB of storage across 3 M.2 SSD slots, one operating at PCIe 4.0x4 and 2 at PCIe 4.0x2 speeds. Such high configurability makes the system future-proof and ideal for creative professionals or heavy multitaskers who need fast access to large files. Cooling is handled by a dual-fan system enhanced with a vapor chamber, which helps maintain low noise levels while ensuring efficient heat dissipation. Despite its compact 154 by 151 by 73.6 mm chassis, the K12 doesn't compromise on connectivity. It supports Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and comes with two 2.5G Ethernet ports for fast wired networking. Additionally, the inclusion of an OC-Link port allows for external GPU expansion, offering a performance boost for users who need more graphical power. For example, when paired with a desktop RTX 4060 or similar. Display options are equally versatile. The K12 can output to up to 4 displays simultaneously and supports resolutions up to 8K at 120 Hz. It includes HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, USB 4, and a full-feature USB-C port, giving users a wide range of options for external monitors or docking setups. Gmktec stays true to its Evo series design aesthetic with a sleek, floating-style chassis complemented by customizable RGB lighting. The unit ships with Windows 11 Pro, though bare-bone versions do not come with an activated OS. Included accessories are practical: a VESA mount for mounting behind monitors, an HDMI cable, and a power adapter. In terms of port layout, the front panel offers convenient access to 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, 1 USB-A 2.0 port, a USB-C port, and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. The rear panel expands this further with another USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, 1 USB-A 2.0, HDMI, DisplayPort, USB 4, an additional 3.5 mm jack, OC-Link, and the 2 Ethernet ports. Overall, the Gmktec K12 is a well-rounded and highly capable mini PC that punches far above its size class. It offers performance and expandability that are rare in this form factor, making it a solid option for users who want desktop-grade power in a compact package. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.